Guys, I'm bringing you today a token that could 100x over the span of 2023. Now, before we get into it, disclaimer,
I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only.
So let's see what I've got to say. So guys, here's what we're talking about. Altura NFT, okay? It's A-L-T-U-R-A. Now, this is the website. It's alturanft.com, so please only use trusted links. Now, this is a fantastic Web3 infrastructure for games online, all right? With this, you can actually create, update, and transfer NFTs in-game without technically complexity or costly investment. Now, guys, there's over 44,000 unique marketplace users, over 291,000 total marketplace transactions, over 38,000 unique NFTs minted, and as of now, over 3.9 million total marketplace volume. They are powered with next generation of gaming coming from Animera, Oxia Origin, Open World, Hornet Space, and many more, okay? So what does it actually do? What it does is it provides everything you need to integrate Web3 into your game in a simple yet powerful platform. So you can focus on what matters the most, building your game, okay? Build with simple, powerful API and SDKs. If you don't know what that is, you're basically talking about minting, integrating, updating, and transferring NFTs in-game for free with no registration required. Using Altura, you can actually build on any chain. So you can see some of the most popular chains here, guys. Take your pick and choose which you want to do it with. Now, scale with the community and marketplace. This is a massive factor when you're trying to hit a community of thousands of gamers and listing your NFTs on the marketplace, okay? You need to be able to scale it with huge communities. That's what Altura does, and I'm going to show you the marketplace in just a couple of seconds. Now, we want to monetize the safety and security over here, so it's built-in authentication tools, secure NFT economy, simplify users' enrollment, and instills trust with your player base. Okay, that's why it's got the Altura Guard, secure wallet generation, and on-chain loot boxes. So for those of you that love staking, you can get involved right now and earn 8% APY on the ALU with the staking side of this, where I will show you, and the trading side for you traders out there on the Altura marketplace, which I'm going to show you as well. So let's start with the marketplace. So here it is then, their marketplace. All right, please only go through the trusted link for the website to get to this, because there has been known for links not to be correct. So you can come in here. It's very user-friendly, very easy to explore the games. You can see all the games as soon as you come in. If you want to look for the new releases, simply click on that and it will start loading up the new release games. Probably my favorite on here is Domino 5. If you've not played that, please get involved. Up at the top, you've got games, collections, loot boxes, and more, where it shows you your staking side as well. So let's go in to the staking side of this project. So with the staking side, simply connect your wallet, okay? It's BSC that is required. I do recommend to use MetaMask always. Just simply click on it and it'll ask you to log in. Once you've done that, you'll be here on the staking side, all right? Now, this is where it comes. The new ones are gonna pop up for you, so choose whatever you wanna do, okay? With the BNB and ALU, the ALU token is actually going pretty strong right now. Okay, I'm going to show you the price in just a couple of minutes. But this is the staking side. Once you've deposited, it will start coming up with a different APY. The wallet's a deposit of what you will make. So over on CoinMarketCap, you can see here it's at 0.02 of $1. Okay, we have been dropping, but you can see this push up that's been happening on the 7 daily. If you go to the free monthly, of course, you can see a huge gain coming up, and that's because these games, NFT games, the Web3 space is starting back on the growth. Okay, so check that out. It's very, very low, the price to get involved with where I think this is going to be by the end of the year. Maybe 100x, who knows? Now, some of the products through Altura, all right, you've got the marketplace, which we've shown you, the white label marketplace, Ultra Guard, Smart NFTs, integration toolkit, and of course, I've showed you the staking. If you click on the developer, you'll see the docs, dashboard, and the Discord. Have a read of the blogs, okay? There is some blogs in there that are fantastic, but what I want to tell you is if you want to buy some of this coin, you need to go to PancakeSwap and buy Altura, okay? That's what I recommend. Get involved right now and pick some up for that cheap price that I showed you earlier. Now, I want to take you over this blog at bitcoinwisdom.com, okay, and just show you what they're thinking of this token so you don't think it's just me being biased, okay? The actual ALU token is fantastic, all right? The price prediction for the upcoming year, like they say, is beyond this guide, all right? And you make the decision for yourself, but please take my consideration, everyone's consideration, put it all into one and make your own decision. Remember, making predictions is very difficult, okay? But with a token like this, where the video game actually allows the players to own digital asset, including a lot of in-game objects and market cap, it's a very good idea to get involved with these tokens. Now, what I do know is that ALU have a different kind of stance. So with loot boxes in normal games, what people do, and you can see it on here, okay? What people do with inside games is find loot boxes, but you never get to see the real contents of that box, all right? That's why it's centralized. With ALU, Ultra, and their whole programmer team, what they decided to do is loot boxes inside of the games have full transparency, okay? They've got an Oracle integrated, so everyone that's gaming can see the full transparency. That's why people are loving this. There you go, guys. Thank you so much. Please do me a massive favor. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.